Hello and welcome to another quick and easy tech talk from me. My name's Paul Compton and welcome to the new tech channel. Yeah, I've been given lots of different gadgets and bits and pieces and stuff like that, and I've now pulled in my videos from my landscape photography channel. So if you want to see that, it's Paul Compton PD Photography. The link will be down on the bottom for you. Please check it out if you like landscape photography and stuff like that. But this is going to be my tech channel, somewhere where I come and talk and tell you the truth and the honesty about different gadgets and things that have been sent. This today is for Sunwayfoto, the GC-01. It's an attachment that is now fitted to the top of the new GH-Pro geared head. Inside the box, and I hate packaging, very simple packaging, some instructions, a brown box with a white sticker on it, and inside you get a pouch with the goodies in. That is all you need. You don't need any fancy magnets, fancy anything in the packaging. I love simple packaging. Let's put the money into the gadgets instead of into the packaging. Right, so you also get an Allen key inside here. It comes with an Allen key and a long screw. The long screw will be to attach the head to the top of your geared head already. Now if you've got a GH Pro geared head like I have, you'll find that at the top of it you don't have a way of turning the pano head on the top. The pano is from the bottom and you don't have a way of turning the pano head. You've only got two screws on the actual geared head, and I'll be putting all the pictures up on the side for you so you can see them, and I will actually get a shot of my geared head and show you what it's like. This is the attachments that's now fitted to the GH Pro 2 Mark II version. This attaches to the top of your tripod now, or the top of your geared head. Now there's two ways of doing this, or two ways of looking at this. This is the gadget. This is actually classed as a GC-01, if you can see that on the front there. And the idea behind this is you can use it for two different ways. One is you can take the bottom plate off. There's two Allen keys in the bottom there, and you can see there's like an Arca Swiss compatible plate on the bottom. So you could actually use this straight off the top of a tripod. I don't have a tripod handy. Yes I do. Let's have a look at this one, and you can actually use this straight off the top of a tripod. So let's just turn this off, put some light on the subject so you can see what we're doing. I can fit this to the top of there, like so. That's now fitted on the top of your tripod, on the top of your ball head, on the top of your geared head, and you can then fit your camera to this. Now I've never done this before. I've literally just taken it out the box and I'm now fitting my camera to it, and this is the first time I've had it out of the box. I've had a look at it online, but I've never actually taken it out of the box. Once that's on the top of your camera, you can then use this to pan. There's a large dial on the side which basically turns it all the way around, and you can actually pan your camera from left to right with that dial. Now as far as I understand, there's also a lever on the front that locks it off, I think. Let me just have a look at this lever. So this spins freely. Okay, if you lock this off, it now locks it in position. Okay, so then you use your geared head. So there's two ways of moving that. Okay, from left to right with a gear or without. Okay, so you've got a speed dial. So the idea behind this is you take these two screws out, you take this off, you then refit this on the top of your GH Pro geared head, and this gives you the pano function on the top of your geared head. There's also a ball level in there, a little spirit level in the top there, and the screw that comes in the packet, which is in here. The screw in here is the one that goes right in the top there. Fantastic little item. There's a little bit of weight to it. I think I've got some specs on here for you. It's a base diameter of 58mm. That'll be there across there, 58mm. It's a length of 85mm. I'm just trying to work out where the length of 85mm is. I think you find that's from there to there. That's how long it is altogether. We've got height of 31mm, top to bottom. We've got a weight of 203 grams, so there's a little bit of weight in it, and attached to the geared head it will actually add a little bit of weight. It will take a maximum load capacity of 6 kilograms, which is more than enough for my camera and the bigger lens. You've got a mounting thread of 3/8 16mm. So it's got a mounting thread of 3/8 and 16mm. There is a cross in the bottom as well, and that's what locks it into the top of your geared head. I love my geared head. I think it's absolutely fantastic. The GH Pro from Sunwayfoto is brilliant, and this is going to make a added benefit of being able to pan very slowly and very precisely when you need to. That's all I want to do. Show you a little bit of tech, a little bit of gadgets. Don't forget to check out my landscape channel, Paul Compton PD Photography, and yeah, I'll see you on the next gadgety, techy, geary type of review thing that I do. Honest thoughts every time. Ciao for now. See you soon.